Any farmers still living in hope of some good news from a bank need look elsewhere. ASB's Rural Update for April reads much like its releases from January, February and March. A few positives, but too much uncertainty to expect a real turnaround. Post-recession rural lending has been consistently low, but end-of-year Reserve Bank changes to the capital requirements for it are expected to make it even harder. ASB Rural Economist James Shortall says that, coupled with a mid-year start date for OCR rises, means a tough financial year for farmers.
We're picking that the official cash rate is going to start being increased by July, and it is going to get up to sort of around the late 4s, 5% by the middle part of next year. So that's for people that are on floating funding costs at the moment or floating interest rates. Then they're really going to see a bit of bite come through them in the next 12 months.
The good news is dairy, beef and lamb prices are steady or better. Unfortunately, the dollar is still high, and nominal drops against the US and the pound will change little.
When you do consider what's happening with the sheep and beef industry and those prices, then they are, in New Zealand dollar terms, are down at the moment. But as I sort of said, then the New Zealand dollar is really overshadowing some pretty good international conditions. And if we didn't have those good prices coming from overseas, then it would probably be a worse story than what it is.
Dairy prices are the only ones strong enough to buck the trend. Fonterra's recent forecast payout increase to $6.10 comes on the back of strong demand from key Asian and Middle Eastern markets and soft global supply. Talk of $6 plus for next season took the bank by surprise, and it still sees Fonterra's future at slightly below that.
Yeah, I'd be a little bit reluctant to say that's plus $6 would be the new norm. I'd say in the $5 is going to be the new norm, but between now and the next sort of year to 2 years, and we've got a very good chance that we're going to see much higher than $6 payout. It's just when we're looking over a 5-year term, then there's still probably a 5 in there somewhere.
With numbers like $4.50 and $5.10 still fresh in shareholders' minds, that's a reality check they'll be prepared to take. Michael Wright, Country 99 TV News.